Remember these verbs. Cook up. They're cooking up dinner. Start off. He's starting off his day. Heat up. He's heating up the oven. Cut up. He's cutting up vegetables. Boil up. They're boiling up the water. Mix in. They're mixing in the ingredients. Come together. The meal is coming together. Lay out. They laid out the table for dinner. Thanksgiving cooking. Caroline planned to cook up a great feast for her friends and family. She started off by heating up the oven for the turkey. Then she cut up a variety of fresh vegetables for different side dishes. In a large pot, she boiled up some potatoes in hot water. As she mixed in spices and herbs, the kitchen smelled like the delightful aromas of Thanksgiving. With everything coming together nicely, she laid out the table in preparation for the guests. She was excited to share the warmth and joy of the holiday. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. Caroline planned to cook up a feast. What does cook up mean? Prepare a meal. Eat quickly. Order food. Serve food. That's right, it's A. Prepare a meal. She started off by heating up the oven. What does start off mean? Start a process. Finish a process. Start a machine. Start an oven. That's right, it's A. Start a process. Caroline heated up the oven. What does heat up mean? Cook food. Increase temperature. Bake food. Prepare food. That's right, it's B. Increase temperature. She cut up vegetables for side dishes. What does cut up mean? Cut with a knife. Cut a lot. Cut a little. Cut into pieces. That's right, it's D. Cut into pieces. Caroline boiled up some potatoes. What does boil up mean? cut into pieces, freeze water, cook in hot water, cook in cold water. That's right, it's C. Cook in hot water. She mixed in spices and herbs. What does mix in mean? Separate, combine, remove, organize. That's right, it's B. Combine. Everything came together nicely. What does come together mean? Become delicious, disappear, unite, move. That's right, it's C. Unite. Caroline laid out the table. What does lay out mean? Cook, arrange, cover, clean. That's right, it's B. Arrange. More phrasal verbs are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more phrasal verb help. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comments section. Thanksgiving cooking. Caroline planned to cook up a great feast for her friends and family. She started off by heating up the oven for the turkey. Then she cut up a variety of fresh vegetables for different side dishes. In a large pot, she boiled up some potatoes in hot water. As she mixed in spices and herbs, the kitchen smelled like the delightful aromas of Thanksgiving. With everything coming together nicely, she laid out the table in preparation for the guests. She was excited to share the warmth and joy of the holiday. Examples. For the campfire, they cooked up a rich stew. Grandma always cooks up something interesting on Sunday. She cooked up a surprise for her friend's birthday. Let's start off the day with some exercise. The novel starts off in a mysterious village. She started off her career as a freelance writer. Could you heat up the leftovers for dinner? The waiter took my coffee and heated it up. Every summer, the valley heats up quickly. He cut up the cardboard for recycling. She cut up some apples for the pie. The kids were cutting up paper for their art project. Let's boil up some pasta and make some sauce. The tea boiled up quickly. Boil up the vegetables for the side dish. Mix in the eggs one at a time into the batter. He mixed in some vegetables with the soup. She mixed in different colors to get the right shade. The community project came together beautifully. All the ingredients come together to create a delicious meal. My family came together for Thanksgiving dinner. Please lay out the plates on the table. After Thanksgiving dinner, it's typical to lay out a variety of desserts. When you lay out the table, make sure the chairs are arranged. As a professional, I'm a strong advocate for one-to-one lessons. Preply is a teacher marketplace with people ready to help. Find your ideal teacher for almost any language, set your price, choose if they're a native speaker and the country they're from, pick your preferred times, and schedule your lesson. It's that easy and from the comfort of your home. In total, there are over 32,000 tutors and teachers, and 17,000 just for English. This is education of the future. And right now, with the link in my description, get a 50% discount on your first lesson. Sign up for Preply today. Thanks for watching, and thank you, channel supporters. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. Happy Thanksgiving, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.